Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Honda Fit front grille, updated. Begin by opening the hood, disconnecting the negative battery terminal, and laying out your tools in a clear workspace. Wear gloves and eye protection, and take photos of fastener locations for reference. Work methodically from top to bottom, keeping bolts and clips organized in separate containers to avoid mixing parts or losing small pieces. Start by removing the top plastic cover and any trim pieces that obstruct the grille. Carefully undo screws and use a plastic trim tool to release clips without damaging paint or plastic. Keep each fastener in a labeled container so you know exactly where it came from. If a clip resists, check for hidden screws or tabs before forcing it, and photograph each step to make reversing the process easy and stress-free. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, which double as tidy parts organizers during a project and stop spills in your garage. They stack neatly, seal tight, and save cleanup time so you stay focused on the job. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With trim removed, support the grille and remove mounting bolts one at a time to prevent dropping it. Disconnect any emblem wiring or sensors carefully, then lift the grille straight out to avoid snagging tabs. For reinstalling, align tabs, seat clips fully, and snug bolts to manufacturer torque if available. Double-check gaps and latch alignment, then reconnect the battery and test any sensors or lighting to confirm everything functions properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.